All right, here's what we have here. We have some Indian rosewood. This is a 3x8x8 blank. I've already scored it up. I'm going to take it over to the bandsaw, cut it into a circle, and then we'll mount this on there and we'll put it on here and we'll get going. I'll be right back. First thing I'm going to do is rough out the bowl shape with my 3/8 inch bowl gouge. Then I'm going to grab my round nose scraper and try to give it a better finish before sanding. Try to get rid of any of that tear out. This wood was really hard, and when I was doing this little recess for my chuck, I had to use my carbide to make sure it got in there good. And of course, once I got it sanded down good, I put my logo on the bottom, and then I sanded that up to get it ready for a finish. Of course, my preferred finish is the OB Shine Juice, which is 1/3 shellac, 1/3 boiled linseed oil, and 1/3 denatured alcohol. Really gives it a nice shine, as you can see in the video. Wow. Time I flipped it around, and then I use a Forstner bit to drill it out to the final depth, and then you'll see me using a depth gauge to make sure I was far enough down. Go to some of these turning Facebook pages. You'll have people tell you the only thing you should use is a bowl gouge on a bowl. Well, I'm not in that way of thinking. I think you should use whatever you feel comfortable with. They say not to use a scraper on the inside of a bowl. I love using a scraper on the inside of the bowl. So just do what you like and what feels natural to you, and you know, just get your bowl done. It was about this time that I decided I was going to do the outside of the bowl a little bit differently. Well, not really the outside, but the walls. I was going to have them go from thinner to thicker as it goes down into the bowl, and have a heavier bottom in that bowl. So. Alright, I can't seem to get this sanded down, so what I'm going to do use some sanding sealer and then sand it down a couple of times. I use sanding sealer on a lot of my bowls for tear out. I'll put a coat on there, I'll sand it back up to 120 grit, and then I'll put more sanding sealer on it, and then I'll sand it down to 120 grit, and I'll just repeat that 2 or 3 times, and it usually creates a really good sanded finish by the end. So here I am again using the OB Shine Juice. You don't tell by this, but I do put 6 coats of it on, and I did 6 coats on the outside. Really looks good in the end, I think.
Recently, my YouTube channel hit 1,776 subscribers, and I put on my Facebook page, in order to celebrate the founding of the United States, America, I am going to do a giveaway. Well, that time has come, and this giveaway will run until the 18th of September, which is the Air Force's birthday. aim high. Okay, so here's the deal. Here are the rules. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to be a U.S. resident because I am not rich. I cannot send these overseas. You also need to comment in the comment section, hit the thumbs up button, and share the video. I will be giving away items periodically over the next 2 weeks. I will also, at the end, choose one person. Even if they have already won something, they can win again. Your name will go back in. I will choose one person to go to my Etsy page and choose one item off of my Etsy page, and I will mail it to them. That's it. Simple. So this is going to last until September 18th, so go ahead and get your comments in this video below. All right, everyone, stay cool. Woo! Loose.